Dear traders, in this video I am going to talk about the top level Keltner channel strategy for the 1 minute time trading. So guys, you know there are a lot of videos about the Keltner channel on YouTube, but today whatever you are going to learn, I personally believe that that will not be available on YouTube. And one more thing guys, that I will be talking about the different settings and different indicators, and I will tell you that how to use the Keltner channel, because just by looking at, you might be thinking this is the overbought and oversold. So this is not how the Keltner channel works. The strategy is entirely different. And if you will skip the video, then it's for sure that you are not going to understand that how the strategy will work, and then you will make losses, and then you will watch the video again, and then you will learn that what I have spoke about the Keltner channels in this video. So please, it's a request to not to skip this video, otherwise it will be your loss. Okay, so first of all, you can see that there are different indicators on my chart. The first one is the Keltner channel. So I'm going to explain this. If we go and write Keltner channel, Keltner. Okay, so first one is the Keltner channel. You should put in your favorites, right? Okay, the second one that you can see on my screen, that's showing +2 and -2. Now I'm going to explain this as well. This is, maybe it could be in my favorites as well, because you know. Okay, so this is Keltner channels strategy. So guys, the two different things. First one with the bands, Keltner channel. The second one, Keltner channel strategy 2. Okay, the third one is the 200 EMA, and I have already made the video about the EMA. Just write EMA and just write moving average exponential, and go to the moving average settings, and then choose its periods to 200, because you might be using this when you will install this EMA. The length will be something else. You have to make it on a 200 settings. Okay, so now this is already set up to do for the 1 minute scalping. Now guys, please open your ears and listen to me very carefully, because I am again telling you, because 99% of people or traders who are using Keltner channel, they are using it in a wrong way. So how they are using in a wrong way? So first of all, because you can see the Keltner channel looks like a Bollinger Band, right? Okay, so what happens, the traders think that this is the overbought levels of the market, and now we should go for the sell position, right? However, this concept is not applicable on the Keltner channel. The strategy is entirely different. The way I'm going to tell you today, if you will apply it into the Forex market, crypto market, or whatever, there are a lot of instruments on the trading view, then you will be kind of a successful trader. And this is for sure, because you can implement this strategy on your screens, right? Okay, so my strategy, that how I use the Keltner channel, now let me explain you. So this is the overbought levels, right? So there is no need, when the market is coming down, to take a sell position. This will be a completely wrong option. What to do? Here you need to see, first of all, you need to make your candlesticks into Hikanashi by going into the candlestick portion, and then just look at the red part. Let the red part complete, and then you must seek entry somewhere near to the middle moving average line into the Keltner channel. I am talking about this area, right? If you will take your entry from here, so let me put a line here. So for example, if you will be going to sell it, you will not be even to cover up the spread from your broker, and you will be in a loss, because you must be hitting stop loss somewhere here or here. So it will be the completely wrong option for your trading, right? So basically what this is telling you, when there is a break above the when any candle breaks above the top Keltner channel, this is a clear message from the Keltner channel. Now the trend can get changed, or it can go into the upward side, right? When it will break above it, it's a message that the market can go into the upward side. Now you just need to take a smart entry and let the market to come down. Once it comes down near or above the middle the Keltner channel line, you can take your entry, and you can see the Hikanashi candle is also guiding you that it is turning into green. You can take your entry, right? Okay, the second indicator that I have highlighted you, this is the strategy, the Keltner channel strategy. It has also pointed you +2. Okay, so it doesn't mean that +2 means that you should immediately post your buying positions. This will be wrong. I have already highlighted the concept. Okay, right now look at this concept. The market breaks the lower band, right? Okay, here we had a somehow reversal, and then just below the middle line, you can see again it went down. Clear? Okay, the third indicator that we are using is the moving average. That's 200 exponential moving average. So you can see it breaks above the moving average. That was your third confirmation. Okay, and below the moving average you are getting the sell signal. That is very perfect. Understand, guys? So in this case you will have a very less losing trades. Okay, now look at this scenario. The market breaks the Keltner channel. I have advised you not to take the entry. Look, reversal started, and even the reversal come below the moving average line, and then again it went up. That was your entry when this candle was closed above the middle moving average line of the Keltner channel. And if you look at the 200 period moving average exponential, you can see that the market was above that. So you have a lot of confirmations here, right? Very easy to trade on gold 1 minute. Okay, now look at here. The third thing. Euro USD 1 minute, look, break above, it's coming down, look, testing the middle line, now it's pumping up. This is your entry for the 1 minute, and the market is also above the 200 period yellow line. Clear, guys? I hope you can trade very well. Okay, let's have more examples. Okay, guys, right now my screen is a bit stuck. Okay, just a second, guys. Okay, I think so I need to refresh it. So let's reload the screen so that we can understand. Okay, so just reloaded, guys, just give me a second. Okay, so it's coming. Okay, here we are. Okay, guys, hopefully you must have understand, because we are again going back to Euro USD. Okay, now look, it's not about the buy signal, it's look at this sell signal. Okay, now I'm going to talk about the middle line. Whenever the market is below the middle line and you are getting a message, even before that, even before the break, you can take the entry. You can see the reversal was coming and the market is completely down, right? So if I can open some other, okay, now look at here. Here we have a downward break. Look, reversal come. Here, this is your entry from the middle line. And look, you have a drop. Look, break, then reversal come. Above it, it moved up. Again, it come down, again moved up. Hopefully, guys, this is very powerful strategy. I mean, do not consider this strategy a bogus strategy, because this is one of the strategy that I personally trade and I personally love this one. And only FX Mentor is the only channel on YouTube that is providing you with the great skills, because these are the tactics that I have personally learned in trading, and this is one of the indicator that, because I normally, you know, that I review the indicators, but I talk about the indicators that which I personally use. So this is kind of a personally used indicator, and that is very powerful. So guys, hopefully you must have learned from the video. So what do you think, guys, about this video? Please must show into the comment section. And moreover, guys, there is a link of the Exness broker in the description of this video. If you are having problems with your broker, and if your broker is not honest and it's not good with your fast withdrawals and deposit methods, then please try the broker that I am using from 2015, the Exness broker. The link is already given in the description of this video. So please share your thoughts about this video into the comment section. Thank you very much.